Helen, this fine young man is here to register.
Hello, sir. Welcome to the Adventurers Guild.
Thank you. I'm Alwie.
Are you perhaps hungry?
Maybe.
Come this way, please.
Whew, I'm stuffed.
Yeah, that does work. Yoshida fits you to a T.
Glad you approve.
Geez, you still haven't touched your soup? We can talk all you want after.
Why are you telling me what to do?
Eat up before it gets cold.
He's a lota.
Here, this is what it looks like when it's finished. Thanks for waiting.
I think this is the first time I've ever seen pasta since coming here. Or hearing about noodles.
It looks good, right? Tastes pretty good, too.
Could I get a bowl, please?
Sure thing.
I'm done. All I have to do now is wait.
I thought she was late.
It doesn't seem to be for you.